Okay.
I read a plaque that is being presented today to Joe. D-Day, June 6, 1944, Normandy, France. Ode to Joe Riley. Joe jumped from the plane into the dark of night, landing on Retiree, ready to fight. Hitler's troops were all around, so Joe stayed close to the ground. Thoughts were racing across his mind. One by one, his buddies he did find. First to appear was Jack, then Bill, then Ernie. The expression on their faces said, this is going to be one hell of a journey. The fighting lasted into the next night, with seemingly no end in sight. Cornelius Ryan called it the longest day, during Operation Overload. Paratrooper Joe Riley earned his pay. This is a poem basically for you from Daniel Gray. Daniel?
You people do too. Our nation was founded on people like you that have made this the great nation that it is. You're working with your mind and your hands. That's what counts in my mind. Thank you.
Thank you, Joe.